How the heck did Jennelle Eliana's van life YouTube channel blow up with 1.3 million subscribers in 2 weeks?
I'm Jennelle and I live in a van with my pet snake, Alfredo.
When I saw this, I decided to reverse engineer her channel to see how she did it. Here's an image showing her channel had 0 subscribers on the 7th of July 2019, and 2 weeks later she had got 1.3 million subscribers. And this was only with 2 videos. Stay tuned throughout this video as I analyze her channel to see what factors contributed to her success and how you can do the same for your own channel. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to be notified about future videos. Let's take a look at her channel. As you can see, at the time of recording this video, she now has over 1.5 million subscribers and only 3 videos. The last one was only uploaded 2 days ago and already has got 3.2 million views. As you can see, the channel homepage is very simple and there's nothing flashy about it. Let's take a look at her About page. On her About page, she says, I made this channel to document my life living and traveling in a 1995 GMC Ventura Explorer with my pet snake Alfredo. I hope to inspire you guys to get out there and do what makes you happy. Her stats show that she joined YouTube on April 8, 2018. Currently, her channel has over 22 million views. She also has an Instagram following, so let's look at that. She has 258,000 followers and only 37 posts. So do you think that contributed to her success? Let me know in the comments below why you think her channel blew up in just a short time. I'd love to read your comments, and I'm sure others would too. Let's take a look at her videos. Her first video is titled Van Tour, Solo Female Traveler Lives Van Life with Pet Snake.
So I fell asleep. We're just gonna pick up this tour where we left off and hopefully we can just get it over with.
When I analyzed the top keywords her video was ranking for, it included a girl in a van, solo female van tour, van life girls. That video at the time of this recording has over 6.8 million views and gets 3.314 views per hour. Now that's pretty good. Let's take a look at the second video titled How I Shower Living in a Van. It currently has over 12.6 million views and gets 5,500 views per hour.
Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I shower living in a van.
Her top keywords include how to shower living in a van, van shower or van showers, a girl in a van, van life girls, van lifer, van girls. So obviously her main target audience is people who want to live in a van. Most of these would include young gals and guys. I can't access the demographics for her channel, but I highly suspect that most of them are going to be young guys. Let's take a look at Google Trends and see if van life is trending. As you can see from the image, there's a spike in interest for van life. This is not only in the United States, but also overseas. For example, when I went to New Zealand, there are hundreds of young people living life in a van all over the country. Many of these were single people that have been living in a van for over a year. Others included young families that were living and traveling in a van. Let's take a look at Jennelle's competitors on YouTube to see how popular van life is. As you can see, the top videos are only a few days or a few months old and have gained millions of views. So you can see that van life is currently a very hot topic and Jennelle is riding that trend. Here's an interesting quote from a YouTube spokesperson. We have found there to be a general rise in interest around sustainable living on YouTube, a YouTube spokesperson tells TubeFilter. In fact, videos on sustainable living have doubled this year, with some of the top categories being van life, tiny home, minimalism, and zero waste. The spokesperson added that videos related to van life increased over 4.5 times last year versus 2017. So you can see that the interest in van life has increased dramatically in the past year. And I show you that it's currently trending on Google Trends. Here's the third video that Jennelle recorded titled How Do I Live in a Van? Q&A.
Long story short, basically just because I don't want to pay rent.
So obviously she got a lot of questions in the comments asking about her van life. At the time of this video recording, it has gained over 3 million views. The top keywords include how do I live in a van, van life, van living, Jennelle Eliana. Obviously we don't know all the factors that contributed to the success of Jennelle's channel. She might have a huge email list. She may have friends that have huge social media channels. Let me know in the comments below why you think her channel blew up. So what are the big takeaways from Jennelle's successful channel that you can use for your own channel? Number 1, pursue a hot trend in your niche. Keep up with hot trends in your niche because you might be able to do a video that capitalizes on that trend. Number 2, use online tools. Use online tools such as Google Trends, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ to look for the hot trends in your niche. You can even set up Google Alerts that emails the top news in your niche. Number 3, make videos that stand out from your competitors.
Alfredo.
As you can see, Jennelle stands out from her competitors because she has a pet snake while she's traveling in a van. Number 4, create attractive thumbnails. Create attractive thumbnails that stand out from your competitors, so when people are searching for information in the search engines, they'll be able to click on your thumbnail instead of your competitors. If you want to know how to create an attractive thumbnail on your desktop or on your phone, click the link in the card. Number 5, be authentic. If you watch Jennelle's videos, you can see that she's very authentic.
It took my dad a while to come around, but he's like on board now.
So when you create your own videos, just be the best version of yourself instead of trying to copy somebody else. Number 6, have a great hook. As you can see from Jennelle's videos, she hooks you right at the beginning of the video so you can keep watching.
I'm Jennelle and I live in a van with my pet snake, Alfredo.
Number 7, tell a story. Jennelle's first video is over 27 minutes long, so obviously she's telling a great story that captures the interest of her audience. Her second and third videos are over 10 minutes long, so she's able to maintain the interest of her viewers for over 10 minutes. When you create your own videos, think about telling a story that captivates your audience's attention. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to know how to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel? If that's a yes, watch my next video. You'll learn how to turn viewers into subscribers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.